Boy, you waited for me. Such discipline. It was
I'm trying
good
to.
of you.
I'm trying to be in the moment.
In the moment.
I'm trying to
let me have time to sit down. So that's okay.
I know. I'm working on it.
Hey peeps.
Good afternoon to all of our picklesters.
Yeah.
This is Diane Breaux. We're here with Realty One Group Mountain Desert. We are part of the Pickle Lady Brigade, which comprises Randall, myself, and Janet Bissell Erickson. And we are here today to do another little community service report.
Yeah, kind of picking up on where we left off last time.
Yeah,
We wanted to talk to you about grinder pumps.
This is something totally new to us when we moved here. We are from Louisiana and Texas.
They come with terrain, and we're from areas of the country that are very flat. So.
Super flat. So this was something totally new to us.
Yeah.
So back home, especially in Louisiana, we're below sea level. So we don't have a need for such things that we're about to talk about. What we're going to talk to you about and educate you about is something called grinder pumps. You will find them throughout Prescott and all kinds of homes, particularly in homes built out on stem walls. Yeah, so we have a
video on stem wall construction in the wind down, so you can search for that on the website. But very briefly, a stem wall home is a type of construction specifically for homes that kind of hang over a cliff. So the upstairs is where you
live on
enter,
main level,
and then you have space underneath, which is where the cliff is, and the stem wall is the support structure that kind of keeps the cantilevered part of the home up in the air.
So it will be built out, and a lot of them are closed and finished in.
Yeah,
it's not a basement per se, because you'll have bathrooms and bedrooms.
Yeah, it's closed out. Yeah,
high ceilings, and it's completely finished out. But the main level, that's level to the street, will have city sewer lines connected to it.
Or even septic. I mean, that's
septic.
Where it is on the top of the cliff.
Right.
And so for those bathrooms that are below the cliff level, the street level, that's where the grinder pump.
That's where a grinder pump comes in. Had never heard of it. Don't know what it means. I'll tell you what it means. It is a very important piece of machinery, whatever pump in your home on the bottom level. So when your bathroom's downstairs, we'll go to the grinder pump. The grinder pump
pretty much grinds it up.
Grinds it up, sucks it up,
and then pumps it up to the street.
Pumps it up to the street level sewage, so it connects into the city. So of course the city can't dig all these pipes below to hook up downstairs. So that's where the grinder pump comes into play. The grinder pump does that job. Kind of like a bank teller.
Yeah.
You know, when you put your
bank teller kind of thing.
Bank teller, you hit that button.
When you're making a deposit.
Yeah, this is a different kind of deposit.
Yeah.
Very different kind of deposit.
Yeah,
still paperwork involved.
Yeah. Yeah, pretty much.
But that's what the grinder pump does.
Yeah.
It gets it all together, shoots it up with a vacuum, and connects to the city sewer upstairs.
So if you've never seen one, you go downstairs, you open up a closet somewhere where they'll have a grinder pump. It's like, oh my God,
I don't understand. What is this?
That's
what it is.
Imposing.
Yes, you have
pipes and everything.
Right. You usually you will have it maintained once a year. Have somebody come check it out.
Yeah.
Because believe me, when something happens and it doesn't work, you know.
Yeah.
You got a load of trouble. If you know what I mean.
A load of trouble. And they're expensive to repair, so you want to try to maintain them.
Always maintain them.
Yeah,
but they will last forever.
A long time.
Yeah. And occasionally you have to replace the float in there, whatever.
Yeah.
No pun intended.
Yeah.
But
there you go. I'll move this one along.
But
she's getting bad.
Anyway,
so that's a
grinder pumps are important. Yeah. You will find them in many homes all throughout Prescott.
So of the terrain.
Something when you are moving here and you see it, don't be like, I have no idea what this is. Now you know.
Yeah. So, but if you build a home in an area that's flat, then you probably won't have one.
Right.
And then the other thing is, if you get a home warranty, make sure your home warranty covers the grinder pump.
Yes. Now it doesn't always cover replacement of a grinder pump.
Or
it covers some repairs.
Yeah.
So just be aware.
But a lot of them, the basic one, it's not included at all.
No.
I guess because the warranties are offered all over the country
Right.
in areas where they don't have
Exactly.
them.
Exactly.
So if you want yours covered, make sure read the fine print. Make sure
Read the fine
you
print.
might have to upgrade a little bit. Make sure it's covered.
So, more than
Grinder
you
pumps.
ever wanted to know about grinder pumps.
Grinder pumps.
So that's what we're here for.
Yeah.
To teach you,
It's the
educate you.
behind the scenes dirty jobs equipment that go unglorified.
Right.
And it's the Pickle Lady.
It is behind the scenes.
Yeah,
Correct.
behind the scenes.
Okay.
Making sure that grinder pumps get their due.
That's right. So that's a little education there. We just had some people we took out and they were asking us about grinder pumps. And we thought, you know what? This is something different.
Grinder pumps.
We need to give the info on that.
Yeah, if you need more info, you
Yes.
go to pickle411.com. That's where all of our free information begins. If you are a buyer, seller, somewhere in between, information on grinder pumps, toilets, tushies, remodeling, restaurants, just
you
a
name it.
wealth,
Hey,
a wealth.
it is truly a wealth. We cover it all from A
plethora
to Z.
free information.
Free information.
Very useful stuff.
Yeah, it's all things you should know.
Yeah.
Okay. It's been a pleasure seeing you today, and I hope you take something away from this. Don't flush it away.
Don't flush it.
Don't flush it away. It's good stuff.
Yeah.
Put it in here.
Yeah.
All right, friends. Till next time. Bye.